This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari SF90 versus Tesla. We'll explore their incredible performance, distinct powertrains, and overall driving experiences. The Ferrari SF90, a plug-in hybrid, delivers nearly 1,000 horsepower, combining a V8 engine with 3 electric motors. Tesla's high-performance models, like the Model S Plaid, also exceed 1,000 horsepower, relying solely on electric power. Both cars offer blistering acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, showcasing cutting-edge automotive engineering. The Ferrari SF90 combines a twin-turbo V8 engine with electric motors, offering a thrilling, high-revving experience and the option for short electric-only drives. In contrast, Tesla vehicles are purely electric, providing instant torque and a remarkably quiet, smooth acceleration. Ferrari focuses on raw, engaging driving dynamics and a connection to the road, while Tesla prioritizes a technologically advanced, often serene, and highly connected driving environment, including sophisticated driver assistance systems. When it comes to cost, the Ferrari SF90 occupies the ultra-luxury supercar segment, with a starting price well over $500,000. This reflects its exotic materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and limited production. High-performance Tesla models, while still premium, are significantly more accessible, typically ranging from $90,000 to $100,000. Ferrari offers an exclusive ownership experience with extensive customization, whereas Tesla aims to bring high-performance electric vehicles to a wider audience. Both Ferrari and Tesla represent pinnacles of automotive innovation, though through different philosophies. Ferrari masterfully integrates hybrid technology into its legendary supercar heritage, maintaining a focus on performance and driver engagement. Tesla, on the other hand, is a pioneer in electric vehicle technology, pushing boundaries in battery range, charging infrastructure, and autonomous driving capabilities. Make sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you value a traditional, visceral supercar experience or a cutting-edge, all-electric future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.